Hello, I'm Cecilia and welcome to Expalot Studio. And today we are going to be testing UV printed sheet on PS. So let's start.
Okay, so we are testing PS plastic. I have a small star here, which I'm going to transfer. And yeah, I just simply make sure that the transfer is put it on properly. And then I will take the foil off. And then I'm always checking in the corner, is the transfer like properly? Is it going to lift together with the foil or not? And in this case, I can see that it's immediately stuck. There's no need to be worried. So then it's just easy to pull off. This is a super easy material to do successful transfer. UV printed sheet and PS works really well, I have to say, 100%.